ပြောကြားထားကြောင်း CGTN သတင်းဌာနကအခုလိုတင်ပြသွားပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
U.S. media outlets report the nation's military is sending a new aircraft carrier to the Middle East to replace the U.S.'s Abraham Lincoln, which has been on a record deployment of more than 8 months in the region. This surpasses the U.S.'s Stuart S. Howell's nearly 7 months deployment.